Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to create a very beautiful online page by just copy pasting different UI blocks. So if you are a marketer or if you are a developer who is looking to create very beautiful online landing page, then just stick with me in this video and I will just introduce you to a very beautiful online tool using which you can easily create different kind of landing page to fit your need. So you don't have to code anything, you just have to like copy paste different UI blocks from the tool which I will introduce you. So this tool, it's called as Frontender. So this is frontender.com, where I will just open this website and you can see like it's a tool to create landing page by just copy paste, and like they have 100 plus UI blocks and 6 plus templates with online copy pasting tool. So they have like reusable UI blocks and easy to customize and developer friendly. So let me also tell you, like if you are not a developer, then just don't worry, it's very easy to use this tool. You can easily like customize all the different blocks which is present here, and like the cost is $49 for the UI blocks, and like for the full package which consists of 100 plus UI blocks and the 6 templates, the cost is $59, and like for only these 6 plus templates the cost is $29. And like I have purchased this full package which is $59, and let me just say you like I have earned like maybe 10 times of this investment I have made on this tool by creating landing page for my clients. So let me just go to the members area. I will click on this members area and it will open this tool. So here in this tool you can see like we have libraries and the examples. So here in the library we have like 100 plus different UI blocks for different categories like hero, testimonial, footer, contact, stats and number, login form, featured and contents, and many different sections or categories are present here. So if I will click on this example, in this example like we have 2 free templates and 6 premium templates. So these are the 2 free templates. Let me just show you a demonstration of this free template. You can see like the free template itself is looking very good. Let me just click on this view more, and in this view more I will see the premium templates. So here I have 6 premium templates. Let me just click on this any of this premium template. You can see like all the color design combinations and all the different sections which is present here is like very easy to use, and like it's looking very beautiful to use in any kind of applications. So here like they also have a dark mode, like this is a dark mode kind of UI, this is a light mode kind of a UI block. So let me just show you a demonstration of like how I use this tool to create landing page for my clients. So I will just click on this library. With using this library I can like create any kind of landing page as per my need. So after clicking on this library I will go to the hero section, and in the hero section you can see like we have hero 1, hero 10, hero 2, hero 3, many different styles are present here for the hero section. So let me just click on this very first hero section, and here you can see like this is having a navigation bar, and there is a like text here and subtext here, and hero image with a call to action button, and like I can easily modify the design, or like I can easily change the color of all these different section. I can easily customize these images with this block. So let me just go to my, I will create a new file here which is called as index.html. I will open this in my editor. So here I have opened this in my editor. So before doing all these things I have to just go through a developer section, and I have to copy paste the starter HTML file. I will just copy this one and paste this starter HTML file, Along with this, I have to copy the starter CSS file. I will copy this starter CSS file, create a new file, paste this one and save it as app.css. Click on this save button and I will just open this one in my browser. Open with Google Chrome. So here I have opened with my Google Chrome browser, like it's showing a white screen, and I will just go to my hero section. I will use this one, or maybe I can use a very fancy hero section. Let me just use this one. So like they have a very cool animation in this block. I will copy the HTML from here, and here I will, like they have a very meaningful comments added in every place. So I will just put the UI blocks here. I will just delete this one and I will put my UI block here. So after putting the HTML code, I will also copy the CSS file. Copy CSS and I will put your block here. I will just copy the CSS file, CSS here, and refresh the page. So see, like we have got a very beautiful landing page, like with just a very few clicks. And like let me just tell you, like changing all these things are like very easy. You can easily customize all these colors, you can easily change all these images, or you can easily change all these texts from here. So let me just show you how to change this one. I will just copy this one and I will search where it is present in my code, and I will just demo of how to change the block. I will just go here and I will refresh it. So here I have showed you a demo of how to change this particular text. Let me show you a demonstration of how to change the color of any of this section. So I will go to the CSS file here, and here you can see like there are many different CSS blocks here. So the one which I copied right now is, this is the block which I copied right now. So I will, this is, I can give a name of this block, which is hero block. Okay, now I want to change the color of this one. So here you can see like hero navigation height is 100 pixel, background color is this, the block text color is primary color. Let me just change this one to red color. So you can see like the primary color, this has been changed. I will revert this one. The primary color, it's already looking very nice here. So I want to change this color of this business. So for changing this color of this business, the class is highlight. I will just search the class here and I will just change the color of this one as red, or I can just change the primary variable here. So if you are just a marketer, like you don't have any of the knowledge of how to change the color and all these things, then just don't worry, like all the color which is present here, like it's a predefined color, it's like very good predefined color they have. So I will just refresh this one. Let me just go back again and I will just copy a feature and content section. So here in the feature and content section, I can add my features which is present in my application. So they have like many different blocks for the feature and UI, featured and content blocks. I will just copy one of this one. Let me just copy. So like they have a lot of options for this feature and content section. Let me just copy this one, like it's looking very beautiful. So I will copy this HTML. I will come back to my HTML code, and here I will paste this HTML code once again. Then I will copy the CSS file and come back here. I will just go to the end of this CSS file and copy this code once again. and let me just refresh this page. So after refreshing this page, you can see like I have got a, this one is my hero section, then again I have got a content featured and the content section. Let me just go to the testimonial and add some few testimonials. This one I will just preview this testimonial here, like it's looking good in desktop mode, also it's looking good in the mobile mode. I will just copy this HTML file from here and paste it over here. Again I will copy this CSS file. I will go back to my CSS file and copy this one here and paste it. So with this, like I can easily create, I have created this hero section, featured section, then again like I have created this testimonial section. So after having a testimonial section, if suppose I want to have a FAQ section, I can add some FAQs, copy this HTML, then again I will copy the CSS file, come back here and paste the CSS file at the end of app.css and refresh this page. So you can see like I have got a FAQ section here. Then again I want to add some pricing table. In this pricing table they have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 options, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So like they have a total of 22 options for the pricing page. So like that's very good. I will just copy this HTML file from here, paste it over here, and I will just come back again and copy the CSS. I will paste this CSS. So I will paste the CSS here and go back to my screen and refresh this file. So here you can see like after refreshing I have got a pricing page here. I have to just implement this pricing page as per my need. Then again I will go to this block and I will have some brands and the logos section, copy this HTML file and paste it in the index.html, copy the CSS code, come back to app.css and paste it over here. So with this, like you can create any kind of landing page like as per your need. You have to just simply copy the blocks from this online templates which they have, and using this you can easily create any kind of templates as per your need. So like you can easily swap all this UI blocks. If suppose you don't need this featured block, you can easily remove this one. If suppose you need this FAQ to be in the top, you can easily move this FAQ to the top. I will go back and I will just create a footer to end my landing page. I will copy the HTML file from here, paste this HTML file, copy the CSS file from here, paste this CSS. So that's all I need to create this landing page. So my designing of this landing page is over. So the next part which I have to do is like I have to just change the text and I have to change all the images as per my branding need. And like you can use any AI tools, you can use Writer, you can use like Jarvis, you can use Conversion AI or any different tools to create all this like header, all these headings and all these different features and testimonials, all these things. So you can see like it's very easy to create this landing page, and like the cost for this one is only $59. So with this $59 you are getting a lifetime use, like you don't have a limitations on how many times you will be using. And like they have been continuously adding new UI blocks every time. So with this, like if suppose you are purchasing it for $59 and if suppose you are selling it on, like maybe you are creating landing page and selling it for like maybe $20 or at least maybe $30 to $35, then if you sell like maybe 5 to 7 landing pages per week, like then it's a very good use of this particular blog, this particular online tool. You can easily earn money using this online tool. So like it's a very good UI tool. Like I definitely recommend all of you to just try this tool. So thank you for watching. I hope you really find this video very useful, and Please do subscribe to this channel to get latest news and notifications and all the different features which we are working on right now. Thank you.